What if I told you that the #1 problem every content creator, every student, every hustler faces right now? Finding a truly free, high-quality AI video generator. But it's been solved because Wesley is here, and I'm about to show you exactly how. Before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed yet, do it right now. Hit that subscribe button and share this video, because what I'm revealing today is something most people are going to pay for. You're getting it free and lifetime access. Let's get into it. Alright, so let me show you the app I've been talking about. Now, this isn't just a video generator. With this single app, you can generate unlimited videos and unlimited images, all in one place. Pretty wild, right? Here's the one catch, and I want to be upfront with you. This app is not available on desktop, but it runs beautifully on both Android and iPhone, so most of you watching this are already covered. Now, when you head into the video section and tap on the model selector, check this out. You've got Grok AI right there, and right alongside it, Google Veo 3.1, Veo 3.1 Lite, and Veo 3.1 Fast, all available for free. And here's what makes this even more impressive. This app supports both 720p and Full HD video generation. That is seriously impressive for a free tool. Now, the app does have a subscription, but don't worry, stay with me. I'll manage this free for you. Let me show you a quick test. I'm going to run a simple prompt through Grok AI right now. Once it generates, I will show you the result. As you've seen, the result is really amazing. It's using the actual Grok API under the hood, so the output quality is identical to what you'd get directly from the official Grok website. Same model, same results. And just like Grok, you can also use Google Veo 3.1 Fast and Veo 3.1 Lite completely free. Now, the full Veo 3.1, that one does require a premium subscription. But again, I'll get to that, so here's something you need to know. See that little ad icon next to the create button? Normally, every time you want to generate a video, the app makes you watch an ad first. But as you've seen in the video, no ad appeared on my screen. And here's exactly how I did it. Go into your phones and settings, search for DNS, switch it from automatic to manual, and then type in this address exactly dens.adguard.com. That's it. Once you do that, the ads are gone. You can generate freely without interruptions, without waiting. You're welcome. Now, I know what you're really here for, the subscription. How do you get it for free? Here's my challenge to you. Let's hit 150 comments on this video, and I will drop a full video showing you exactly how to get the premium subscription of this app at absolutely zero cost. So drop a comment right now. Tell me you want it. Let's make it happen. The app link is right there in the description. Go grab it, and I'll see you in the next one.